I felt like I was flying a fighter jet.
Wow. Justin, where do we go from here? What else do we bring on the track to beat this thing?
I've been throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in. I can put you in.
Hey guys, we're out here in Teramo and we're on this beautiful racetrack, and what we're doing today that we've never done on the channel is we're actually delivering the Senna GTR on the track to one of our greatest customer, Jason over here. And Jason is going to let us really test this car, and to do that, for the level of this car, we bought the one and only Justin Bell that won the Le Mans to drive this car with Jason. He's going to take him through the track, show him the track and show him what this car can do, and then we're going to get Jason to drive it, and hopefully we'll get a little chance to try the car out as well. Super excited to get behind the wheel of this thing with a pro and see what you can really do. Yeah, Jason.
I've been waiting forever. Can't wait.
Here we go.
The thing is with this car, it is actually a race car nearly in every single way. So we're treating it like it's we're at a racetrack with a race car. So helmets, race suits. We're going to be doing it properly. Last proper McLaren like this I drove. The first one was the McLaren F1 at Le Mans. So it's kind of a nice. This is probably quicker than the car we raced in Le Mans by a long way, right?
Yeah,
so
amazing, amazing. Well, we're looking forward for you guys to see the videos. We're going to have a lot of fun today.
What do you mean?
you can hold the steering wheel, okay?
Yeah. Good. What are these red buttons?
Oh, you don't need to worry about those.
Blinkers? Let's get it.
Straight for that cone, accelerate, that's good. Now you can just roll around here, pick up the speed just a little bit, you can feel the grip.
Yeah.
Feel that?
Yeah.
That's good, that's good, hold it like that. Up to full, good. That's good. Okay, this is going to handle so well through here. Okay, just turn the wheel as you need, that's it.
Wow.
Feel that grip?
right, guys. I just got back from a couple laps with Justin here, and I gotta tell you, this is the fastest I've ever been around a track. You guys know all the cars I get to drive. Wow. I want to know what you think about it, though.
You know what? It's every car you get into, you wait to hit the limits. When you're a pro driver, you know, you get in and you get to the limits of most things. This thing, I was still only running at about 85, 90% because, you know, with someone in the passenger seat, you don't go to the ultimate level. The braking, all I could see was your neck snap forward. You know, the cornering speed was extraordinary. I felt like I was flying a fighter jet. You know what I mean? It felt like I was in Top Gun. It's probably spoiled me for the rest of my life. I mean,
I agree.
You'll never do that again. I'll never do that again.
No, I mean, I gotta tell you guys, I was like, when we finished the lap, I looked at Justin, I said, where do we go from here? Yeah. And he goes, well, we're gonna have to lower our expectations.
Yeah,
that was his words to me. And I was like, I agree. I'm like, wow. And I gotta tell you guys, we did a cool down lap. Maybe we'll catch it on the video. His cool lap was faster than my fastest lap, just to let you guys know. So it was incredible.
But that's why I get paid to drive cars, and he doesn't. All right,
I just get paid to be on the channel.
Yeah. Anyway, thank you. What an honor. Yeah. Even though it's going to be sitting in a showroom, we gave it a proper run.
Absolutely.
Popped its cherry.
Yeah. All right, guys. Thank you. We'll see you guys soon.